In this video, I'll show you how to create a fun opening where vertical elements drop down from the top of the screen and reveal your video in a rhythmic motion. Start by opening your project in CapCut Mobile and placing your video clip at the beginning of the timeline so the effect feels natural as an intro. Tap on the video clip to select it. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Animation to access the animation settings. Now, switch to the In tab, which controls how your video enters the screen. Scroll through the animation list until you find breadstick drop, then tap on it to apply the effect. As soon as it's applied, you'll see vertical bar-like elements dropping down, gradually revealing the video underneath in a clean and playful way. Use the duration slider to control how fast the elements fall. Shorter duration creates a quicker and punchier reveal. Longer duration slows it down, giving the motion a smoother and more relaxed feel. Preview the animation and adjust the timing until the drop motion matches the rhythm of your content. And that's it. You've successfully added a breadstick drop reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile animation tutorials.